Assalamu alaikum. This is Suratul and welcome to my channel. So now starting with the chapter number 8, chemistry, second year. Chapter name is alkyl halides. We are talking now separately about all the functional group that we have studied in the first chapter of organic chemistry in chapter number 6. Okay. Alkyl halides are the derivatives of alkanes. Okay, halides are the derivatives of alkanes and called alkyl halide, where the general formula is CnH2n plus 1x. This is the general formula of alkyl halide. There are three kinds of alkyl halides: primary, tertiary, and secondary. What is primary? This is called primary, or 1 degree also the representation of primary, when only one R is present, then we call it as primary and two H are there. Okay, this is called primary. Tertiary, I am writing out secondary. R, two R are present, then we call it secondary. This is secondary or 2 degree, second degree. I'm writing now for 3 alkyl radicals with halogen. It's called tertiary or 3 degree. All right. So now I'm talking about the reactions. The reaction of the alkyl halides. Alkyl halide HX means hydrogen with any halogen with the functional group of ROH means alcohol. You can obtain RX plus H2O. This is the general equation of the reaction I have right here. If you select, I am writing now the equation HCl, X as a is any halogen, you can HBr, Hi2, hydrogen iodide, iodine, chlorine, bromine, fluorine, any you can use. Okay, here I'm using CH3. Okay, so here R is CH3 and X was Cl, so here CH3Cl plus H2O. This is the reaction of hydrochloric acid with methanol, then you get methyl chloride with water. This is the reaction of alkyl halides. Now, when alkyl halides reacts with ethane, okay, then this is obtained. R any radical? Look, you use CH3 as a radical here and Br as a halogen here. So here it will be CH3 and here it will be Br, and that's it, the reaction. This is called Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. M-A-R Nikov rule. This is known as, this reaction is known as Markovnikov rule. Okay. The third one is if directly with halogen, then Rx plus Hx. This is called free radical mechanism. I'm writing its equation. If you use CH4 methane with chloride, then CH3 Cl plus HCl. This is the reaction. Okay, so these were the reactions. The type of reactions, there are also nucleophile types of reaction, nucleophile substitution reaction. So you have to, that's not so important because it was important for your exam, but not important for your aptitude tests. Nucleophile and elimination reactions are not so important. You have to know the Grignard reagent again in this chapter. There is a Grignard reagent, but it is similar to the previous chapter what we have learned in the previous chapter. Grignard reagent is alkyl halide, magnesium, and X. So whenever Grignard reagent is reacting with any other thing, look, like this is the Grignard reagent, I am reacting it with water, H2O. I will get RH plus MgOHX. Okay, I'm writing it, the equation. Proper CH3 as alkyl radical, Cl plus H2O. Okay, so here it will be CH3H means CH4 methane plus MgOH and Cl. This is the reaction. Okay, so there are many types of, when you're reacting Grignard reagent with alcohol like this. Okay, when you're here, it is Grignard reagent. Okay, I'm writing here R, Mg and X. This is the Grignard reagent. If we are reacting it with alcohol, this will this alkyl radical is different, this alkyl radical is different. That's why I placed a bar on it. And if I am reacting it with amino or radical with amino functional group, or like this with alkyl halides, so what we are getting, RH, RH, R with H, R with H, but now with R, R dash, this R dash and this R combines. Okay, this R dash and that R combines. In previous ones, H is getting combined with R. Okay, here, look here. And in this also the same. Plus Mg OR dash X plus Mg NH2 X. Mg and any halogen will be separate, and in between there is a bracket, and in bracket there will be, you will be using any of the reaction, anything which is given here. Look, NH2, you have written NH2 here, NH2 OR OR. Okay, now what we write here, Mg X and X, because X is here. This is how Grignard reagent reacts with every other compound. Grignard reagent also reacts with other functional groups like these. Grignard reagent reacts with every functional group, in fact. Ether, esters, every functional group. I write here the reaction of Grignard reagent with every functional group. There it is, Grignard reagent, RMgX. Okay. So we are getting the same things after it, because but these all things are not so important for the ECAD, because in ECAD there are not so much reactions, but you have to remember something about Grignard reagent, some basic things. And this is, I think, from main things we have covered from this chapter. This was a small chapter. What else? Nucleophile substitution reactions. You have to remember that alkyl halide go nucleophile. Okay. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are being performed by alkyl halides. What are nucleophilic substitution reactions? I'm just telling you the definition. Strong base. Nucleophilic substitutions are considered as a strong base which substitutes mean which remove halogen from alkyl halide. Remove halogen from alkyl halide. Okay. So this is basically nucleophilic reaction definition is. So that's it from chapter number 8, alkyl halides. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.